As a new homeowner in Shelby Township, Michigan, one of the most important investments you'll make is in the roof over your head, literally. Whether you're buying a newly constructed home or moving into an existing one, understanding the best roofing options for your property is essential for long-term comfort, safety, and value. Let's explore the most reliable and cost-effective roofing materials available today, tailored specifically for Shelby Twp's climate and neighborhood trends. Asphalt shingles. The most popular choice. Asphalt shingles are by far the most common roofing material in Shelby Twp, and for good reason. They're affordable, durable, and easy to install, making them an ideal option for first-time homeowners. Why choose asphalt shingles? Cost-effective. Lower initial cost compared to other materials. Variety. Available in different colors and styles to match any home. Weather resistance. Good protection against snow, rain, and moderate wind. For budget-conscious homeowners, asphalt shingles offer the perfect balance between quality and affordability, especially when installed by a reputable local roofing company in Shelby Twp. Metal roofing. Durability that lasts. If you're looking for something more long-term, metal roofing is gaining popularity among Shelby Twp residents. Though initially more expensive than asphalt, metal roofs are known for their longevity, 40-70 years, and resistance to severe weather. Benefits include low maintenance. Once installed, little upkeep is needed. Energy efficiency. Reflects heat, helping lower cooling costs. Eco-friendly. Often made from recycled materials and fully recyclable. Given Michigan's snowy winters, a metal roof is a smart investment for homeowners planning to stay in their home for decades. Architectural shingles. Style meets strength. Want a more upscale look without the premium price tag of slate or tile? Architectural shingles, also known as dimensional or laminate shingles, offer a visually appealing, high-performance alternative. Advantages. Enhanced curb appeal. Thicker and more textured than standard shingles. Increased lifespan. Typically last 25 to 30 years or more. Better wind resistance. A great choice for Michigan's unpredictable weather. If you want your home to stand out in your Shelby Twp neighborhood while still keeping maintenance low, architectural shingles are a great choice. Slate and tile. For timeless elegance. While less common for new homeowners due to their cost, slate and clay tile roofs bring unmatched beauty and durability. These materials are extremely long-lasting. Some slate roofs can last over a century. However, keep in mind, heavy weight. Your home's structure must be able to support it. Higher cost. Both materials and installation are expensive. Specialized installation. Requires expert roofing contractors. If you've purchased a luxury property or historic home in Shelby Twp, slate or tile could complement the character and boost long-term value. Synthetic roofing. Modern innovation and synthetic options, such as composite shingles or rubber roofing, are engineered to mimic traditional materials like slate or wood but at a fraction of the weight and cost. Why consider synthetic roofing? Lighter weight. easier and cheaper to install. Resilient. Designed to withstand hail, UV rays, and moisture. Aesthetic flexibility. Can mimic almost any roofing style. This option is perfect for homeowners who want both performance and style without breaking the bank. Final thoughts. Choose what's right for you. As a new homeowner in Shelby Twp, choosing the right roof depends on your budget, aesthetic preference, and long-term plans. Partnering with a trusted roofing company in Shelby Twp will help you evaluate your options and ensure your installation is done right the first time. Whether you're going for affordability, curb appeal, or lifelong durability, the right roof adds more than protection, it brings peace of mind.